Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of travel rewards and credit card perks, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to refer a friend for the Chase Sapphire bonus. This is a simple way to rack up extra points while helping your friends get started with one of the best rewards cards out there. Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is the Chase Sapphire bonus? Chase Sapphire refers to a line of premium credit cards, like the Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, known for their travel rewards and sign-up bonuses. The referral program lets existing cardholders earn additional bonus points, often up to 10,000 or more, just by inviting friends to apply. It's a win-win. You get rewards, and your friend gets a great card with perks like travel insurance and bonus points on dining and travel. Now, let's walk through the steps to make a referral. Step 1. Log into your Chase online account. Make sure you're using a desktop or the mobile app for easy access. Once logged in, navigate to the Refer a Friend section, which is usually found under the Rewards tab or your account dashboard. Step 2. Generate your unique referral link. Chase makes this straightforward. Click on the referral option, and it'll create a personalized link for you. You can customize it if needed. Step 3. Share the link with your friends. Send it via email, text, social media, or even in a group chat. Encourage them to apply through your link to ensure you both qualify for the bonus. But hold on, there are a few things to keep in mind. Your friend must be a new Chase customer, and they often need to meet minimum spending requirements, like $4,000 in the first 3 months, to unlock the full bonus. Always check the latest terms on the Chase website, as offers can change. The best part? Once your friend is approved and meets the criteria, you'll get your bonus points added to your account, which can be worth hundreds in travel value. It's an easy way to maximize your rewards without extra effort. So, if you have friends who love to travel or dine out, this is perfect for them, and for you. Give it a try today. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.